Good afternoon. This is Alex Strom, and I have chosen to do General Electric as the company for the final project of Winter 2019's Intermediate Accounting 1. Here you can see the balance sheet with callouts for receivables, assets, liabilities, and various ratios. This tab is the income statement with more various ratios and explanations of those ratios. The next tab is the statement of cash flows with the ratios and explanations associated with these entries. The fourth tab is for the time value of money. And I used the pension plan and pension costs in order to show the time value of money and how it would affect the company. The sixth tab is the cash and receivables tab. Here I referenced notes about how the cash and receivables are reported, and I also did a little analysis on the current receivables. The next tab is the inventory, and there is analysis and notes on why GE chose to do the inventory and the methods that they used. The property, plant, and equipment, it was a little complicated for General Electric. There was a large amount of sales and discontinued operations due to some failed business ventures in 2017 that GE is distancing itself from. So I created one tab with the assets and liabilities held for sale and the financial information for discontinued operations that is separate than the next tab, which is just the property, plant, and equipment purchases for 2017. And there's a little analysis there at the bottom. And then the last two tabs are the brief explanation of the depreciation that is used in GE's books. And the intangible assets and what the acquisitions for 2017 and the mergers for 2017 did to the intangible assets for General Electric. Thank you very much. This is my final project, and have a good day.